There's something timeless and deeply personal about custom jewelry. Whether it's a handcrafted engagement ring, a bespoke necklace commemorating a milestone, or a one-of-a-kind heirloom reimagined for a new generation, custom jewelry design allows you to express your story in a way no mass-produced piece ever could. As more people look to elevate their style and celebrate life's special moments, the demand for personalized jewelry is surging. But when it comes to finding the perfect piece or creating your own, where you shop makes all the difference. While online retailers offer convenience, visiting a local jeweler provides the personal touch, quality assurance, and flexibility that can't be matched. If you found yourself searching for jewelry near me, jewelry stores in Arcadia, or even Arcadia Jewelry Repair Shop, you're already on the right path. Let's explore the magic of custom jewelry design, the benefits of in-person shopping, and why Dorano Jewelry is a trusted name for quality craftsmanship in Arcadia and beyond. What is custom jewelry design? Custom jewelry design is the art of creating a unique, tailor-made piece that reflects your taste, story, or occasion. Whether starting from scratch or redesigning an existing item, a skilled jeweler collaborates with you to bring your vision to life. Customization options may include choice of materials: gold, platinum, silver, or mixed metals. Stone selection: diamonds, sapphires, emeralds, birthstones, and more. Engraving: meaningful dates, initials, or personal messages. Design style: vintage-inspired, modern minimalist, ornate, or eclectic. Reworking old pieces: turning outdated heirlooms into wearable works of art. Custom pieces often become cherished keepsakes, whether it's a custom engagement ring symbolizing your love story, a pendant designed to honor a loved one, or matching bracelets gifted to close friends. Why in-person shopping beats online jewelry hunting. You might be tempted to order a ring or necklace online, especially with a million websites offering custom options. But when it comes to fine jewelry, shopping in person, especially at trusted jewelry stores in Arcadia, has unmatched advantages. 1. See the quality with your own eyes. High-definition photos can only tell you so much. In person, you can hold the jewelry, examine the cut of the stones, feel the weight, and truly appreciate the craftsmanship. If you've been searching for jewelry in Arcadia, visiting a local jeweler means no surprises. What you see is what you get. 2. Negotiate a better price. Online retailers often have rigid pricing. At a jewelry store near you, especially one known for personalized service like Dorano Jewelry, you may have room to negotiate based on your budget and design preferences. Want to upgrade the stone or adjust the setting? In-person shopping allows for those conversations. 3. Explore more options. When you're browsing online, you're limited to what's shown on the screen. Local jewelry stores often have a wider range of pieces available, some not even listed online, and they can also show you custom designs made for other clients to inspire your creation. 4. Expert guidance you can trust. Custom jewelry design can feel overwhelming without a knowledgeable guide. At a reputable Arcadia jewelry store, you get face-to-face advice on durability, design, metal choices, and gemstone quality. You're not alone in making these decisions. You're supported every step of the way. What about repairs? Another reason to go local. Jewelry is made to last a lifetime, but that doesn't mean it won't need a little TLC now and then. Clasps break, prongs loosen, and bands wear down. That's why having access to jewelry repair around me is so important. If you're searching for Arcadia Jewelry Repair or the nearest jewelry professional for maintenance, resizing, or restoration, going local is your best bet. Why? Faster turnaround times, in-person evaluations for accurate quotes, trust and accountability you won't get from sending your pieces away. The top Arcadia Jewelry Repair Shop options will not only fix your piece, they'll treat it like their own. How Dorano Jewelry makes custom dreams come true. Located in the heart of Arcadia, Dorano Jewelry is more than just a jewelry store. It's where timeless craftsmanship meets modern elegance. With decades of experience in custom jewelry design, jewelry repair, and personalized service, Dorano Jewelry is known for tailored creations for every occasion. From custom engagement rings to anniversary gifts, our jewelers work closely with you to understand your vision, style, and budget. Then transform it into a stunning reality. On-site jewelry repair you can trust. Need a ring resized, a clasp replaced, or a diamond reset? Our Arcadia Jewelry Repair Shop offers precision and care you won't find with mail-in services. Hand-picked selection of fine jewelry. Whether you're browsing for yourself or looking for the perfect gift, our curated collection of earrings, necklaces, rings, and bracelets includes pieces you won't find anywhere else. Convenient location and unmatched expertise. So if you're looking for the nearest jewelry store, we're right here in Arcadia, ready to serve with professionalism and a personal touch that's hard to find online. Ready to create something unforgettable? Don't leave your dream piece to chance or settle for something mass-produced. Whether you're looking for custom jewelry, jewelry repair around me, or simply the finest jewelry in Arcadia, Dorano Jewelry offers the experience, craftsmanship, and service you deserve. Visit our store in Arcadia today, and let us help you design something uniquely yours, or bring your favorite pieces back to life with expert repairs. Click here to schedule a consultation or learn more. When it comes to personalized jewelry, quality craftsmanship, and trusted service, Dorano Jewelry is your destination.